Hey all maths enthusiasts there, I am Guneet and welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks. If you're new around here, please hit the like and subscribe button and join our mathematical journey. Now today we'll be learning new method of multiplication, which is secondary base multiplication. In this method, we will multiply the numbers which are close to 30. Now let's understand this method by taking examples. Now let's take the first question. So the first question is 34 multiplied by 33. Now here as we can see that both the numbers are near to base 30. So that is why we'll take the base as 30. So let's find out the deviation. So deviation will be 34 minus 30, which will be plus 4, and 33 minus 30, which will be plus 3. Now, first number plus the second deviation. So, 34 plus 3. Multiply the base, which is 30, plus multiply the deviations, which will be 4 multiplied by 3. So, here 34 plus 3 gives you 37. Multiply by 30. 4 3s are 12. So, plus 12. So, 37 multiplied by 30 will be 1110 plus 12. So the final answer will be 1122. Now let's take the next question. 39 multiplied by 36. So let's find out the deviations first. 39 minus 30 gives you plus 9 as deviation, and 36 minus 30, which gives you plus 6 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation. So 39 plus 6, multiply with the base, which is 30. Plus multiply the deviations, which is 9 multiplied by 6. Now here 39 plus 6 gives you 45. Multiply by 30 plus 9 6 are 54. So plus 54. Now 45 multiplied by 30 gives you 1350 plus 54. So the final answer is 1404. Now let's understand the next question. 35 multiplied by 28. Here also the number are close to 30. So let's find out the deviation. So 35 minus 30, which will give you plus 5 as deviation, and 28 minus 30, which gives you minus 2 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation, but here the deviation is negative. So it will be 35 minus 2. Multiply with the base, which is 30. Plus multiply the deviation. So deviations are 5 multiplied by minus 2. So now here 35 minus 2 gives you 33. Multiply by 30 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and there's a negative sign, so minus 10. So 33 multiplied by 30 gives you 990. Plus minus is minus, so minus 10. So the final answer is 980. Now let's understand secondary base 300 questions. So the first question is 306 multiplied by 310. So here the numbers are near to 300. So first we'll find out the deviations. So 306 minus 300 gives you plus 6 as deviation, and 310 minus 300 gives you plus 10 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation. So 306 plus 10. Multiply with the base, which is 300, plus multiply the deviations, which will be 6 multiplied by 10. So 306 plus 10 gives you 316. Multiply by 300 plus 6 tens are 60. So 316 multiplied by 300 gives you 94,800 plus 60. So the final answer is 94860. Now let's understand the second question, which is 308 multiplied by 304. Now let's find out the deviations first. 308 minus 300 gives you plus 8 as deviation, and 304 minus 300 gives you plus 4 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation. 308 plus 4. Multiply the base, which is 300. Plus multiply the deviations, which is 8 multiplied by 4. So 308 plus 4 gives you 312. Multiply by 300 plus 8 4s are 32. So 300 multiplied by 312 gives you 93,600 plus 32. So the final answer is 93632. So let's understand the last question, which is 295 multiplied by 302. So let's find out the deviation. 295 minus 300, which gives you minus 5 as the deviation, and 302 minus 300, which gives you plus 2 as deviation. Now, first number plus the second deviation, so 295 plus 2, multiply the base, which is 300, plus multiply the deviations, which is minus 5 multiplied by 2. Now 295 plus 2 gives you 297, multiply by 300, minus 5 multiplied by 2 gives you minus 10. So 297 multiplied by 300 gives you 7 3s are 21, 9 3s are 27, plus 2 29, 2 3s are 6 and 8. 89,100 minus 10 gives you 89090 as the answer. So this method can be used for all the secondary bases like secondary base 40, 400, secondary base 50, 500. So for all the secondary base numbers, the method will be the same. I hope you understood this method well. And if you want more such videos, please give your suggestions in the comment below. Thanks for watching.